Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today's problem of the day is maximum meeting in one room. So in this question we are given with two arrays. One contains the starting time of each meeting and the second array contains the ending time of each meeting, and our task is to find the maximum number of meeting that can be accommodated in a meeting room. So let's take a small example to understand this problem. Let us take this example: 2 1 4 9 6 9, and the ending times of that array would be 3 7 5 10 8 10. This is 9. So we have to sort this meetings based on the ending time of the meeting to gain the maximum number of, or to schedule the maximum number of meetings. So if we sort this array based on the ending time of the meeting, the sorted array will be 3 5 7 8 10 and 10. Here we will maintain the order. So as this element came first, it will come first here. The starting time of the meeting will be changed accordingly. 5 has 4 as the starting time, 7 has 1 as the starting time, 8 has 6 as the starting time, and these both have same starting time. Now we have sorted both the arrays, and we have to sort the index also, because at last we have to return the index values, and here the indexing is based on 1. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6. So a meeting starting at 2 ending at 3, this is possible meeting, so we will return this. Now a meeting starting at 4 and ending at 5, this is possible, and we have to take care of the previous meeting ending time, which is 3. So 3 is less than 4, so it is also possible, and it is corresponding to the third index, so meeting 3 is possible. Now meeting starting at 1, but the previous meeting itself ends at 5, so this is not possible, right? Now a meeting starting at 6, it is possible because the previous meeting ends at 5, and this is associated to fifth index, so meeting 5 is possible. Meeting starting at 9 and ending at 10, it is possible, and the last meeting was also ended at 8, so this is a possible meeting, but the index here will be the smallest index, that is 4. This is given in the question, so these 4 meetings are possible, and we have to return this. So let us dive into the code. So here we have to return array list. So let us create a result array list first. Array list of integer type, ref equals to new array list. We have to store the starting time, ending time, and the index for each of the meetings. So let us create a class for storing all the elements. Class meetings. It will store the starting time, ending time, and the index. Let's create a constructor. MWTING int start and end and int index. This dot start equals to start, this dot end equals end, and this dot index equals to index. We created a constructor. Now we have to create an array list of meeting object. Meeting object. Let its name. Let us name it as meeting. Each of the index of this array list will contain the starting time, ending time, and the index value. For that, let us run a loop in the given array. Equal 0 I less than n and I plus plus. Meeting dot add. We will add all the elements. Meeting dot add of meeting type object. We will insert the starting time, which is s here, finishing time of ith index, and as we have to return the array based on one indexing, so we will add 1 to I. So now we have added all the elements to the array list. Let us sort the array list based on the finishing time and the start time in the case of ties as well. So for that we will use comparator here int meeting m. We will use the lambda function m dot end dot, then comparing int m dot start value. So based on both the parameters, we have compared and sorted the meeting array list. Now as we have got the sorted array list, we will add in the result. We will add them in the result array list. For the first meeting, it will directly be entered. Whatever may be the value, the first meeting will be scheduled. See this example 3 and 7. So output is 1. So if we sort the array, we will get the first meeting will be scheduled for sure. Now we have to take a variable where we will store the previous finishing time. previous meeting finishing time equals, here we stored the last meeting finishing time, because we have to check, now we have to check the current meeting starting time is strictly greater than previous meeting ending time or not, so that there will be no overlap of meeting. And I equals to 1, I less than n, I plus plus. Let's compare the meeting dot get ith index starting value start is strictly greater than previous what we have taken, and result, if it is true, then we will, if this is true, then only the meeting can happen, so we will add it in the result. Meeting dot get ith index value, and we will change the previous finishing time of the meeting. We will update it with the current finishing time now, equals to the current finish ending time of the meeting. We have updated it, so our result array is ready. Now we have to return the result array by sorting it again. We have sorted and we have returned the result array. Let us check if there is any error. Array list res meetings meeting dot add meetings type meetings dot sort. It will be meeting dot sort, and meetings m dot end compare. It's looking fine. It will be meeting. Everything else is looking fine. Let us compile and run. Code compiled successfully. Let us submit the code. Yeah, it runs successfully. This is how we can do the code. Thanks for watching the video.